Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your essential tools like a socket set, wrenches, and a pry bar. It's crucial to ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns. Taking these initial steps will set you up for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by locating and loosening the serpentine belt tensioner, allowing you to remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Then, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator in place. With everything disconnected, gently maneuver the old unit out of its tight spot. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and secure it with the mounting bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring, ensuring each connection is firm and correct. Then, route the serpentine belt back onto the pulleys and tension it properly. Double-check all connections for tightness and correct routing before proceeding. Finally, let's test your new alternator. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the engine. Observe your dashboard to ensure the battery or charging system warning light is off. You can also use a multimeter to verify the charging voltage is around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.